Welcome to the tutorial for the state exam cones backing test. I'm Dale Owen. I am a trainer with the Baldwin County School System Transportation Department. The cones backing test consists of a 100-foot lane, and also you have a 3-foot by 12-foot box on either end of the lane. Depending upon the phase, the trainee will be moving the bus forward or in reverse in the lane. There are 4 phases in this test. Phase 1 is the forward stop. Phase 2, straight line backing. Phase 3, forward offset tracking. And Phase 4, reverse offset backing. I'll take each one of these phases step by step so you can see how you need to maneuver in the lane. As you can see in the slide, Phase 1, the forward stop, your goal is to put any part of the front bumper in the far forward box. Once you're there, lock down the bus and honk the horn. You will lose 5 points if the bumper is short of the box or goes past the box. Here's some tips. Ride the brakes, but do not stop until the bumper is in the box. Also, spot where the bus stops is where the driver will be scored. This is how Phase 1 looks from the ground level. Once Phase 1 is scored, the examiner will motion for you to pull forward past the box and set up for Phase 2, which will be the straight line back. And now, Phase 2, the straight line back. Your goal is to go in reverse. Return to your original starting point past the far box. Make sure you clear everything, all cones, and come to a stop. When you are going in reverse, make sure you use your hazards, use a helper, and also honk your horn before backing. Make sure you lock down bus once you're at the end of the phase. Note that an automatic failure will occur if the bus has not passed all the cones. Some tips: you can have 1 free pull-up and 1 free get out and look during the exercise. Additionally, the spot where the bus stops is where the driver will be scored. On the Phase 3 forward offset tracking, your goal is to place the far right passenger side tire in between the cone and the hash mark. If this does not occur, the driver will lose 5 points. Note that if the driver has to back up on this phase, it is a 1-point deduction, and there are no free looks, and do not stop the bus until finished. Make sure the bus is parallel with your cones to the left once you've passed through the cone and marker area. Phase 4 is the final exercise in the cone's backing test, the reverse offset backing. Your goal is to place a portion or more of the rear bumper in the far box, the 3 by 12 foot box. If you do not do this, it's an automatic failure. Note, 2 free pull-ups and 2 free looks are available if needed. The driver cannot miss more than 8 points in all 4 phases